So, Stuart, there's some breaking news from Vispero. So, before we get to that, though, I just want to go back and sort of give us a recap about all the discussion and conversation that's been going on about the pricing. So, just take us where we were at and what's new.
Yeah, good to be back, Shaun. I was waiting for the breaking news jingle, but anyway, we can live without it.
Sorry.
So where we were was, I suppose, the 31st of this month. The 31st of October is Friday. That was a big cutoff date because that was the date by which you had to upgrade your software and renew your software maintenance agreement in order to continue receiving updates for your JAWS, ZoomText or Fusion software. And what has changed is that deadline for the 31st of this month has been moved to the 31st of December. So there's 2 extra months before you have to upgrade. And if you are 3 steps below the current version, so at time of recording, the current version is 2025. So if you're on 22, 23 or 24, you have until the 31st of March of next year to upgrade. If you're prior to 2022 or 3 steps prior than the current version, then you would have to upgrade by the 31st of December. If you don't do that, you would go on to a subscription next year.
Okay. And can I ask, how did this come about?
I think really Vispero have been listening to feedback from customers, throughout the world. There's been some discussion and I think they have responded and they want to make sure that people have time to get access to the latest version of their softwares. And I think by the end of this week, hopefully 2026 will have launched and people will see some changes in 2026, in particular in relation to how AI is being used. And that's continuing to transform the way in which people are using that software. So I think they've been listening, they've been responding, and hopefully people will see this as a good news story. What I do feel about what we're talking about today is it's going to give people a bit more time to think, a bit more breathing space. And it shows that, I suppose, Vispero are listening and want to, they want to engage with the community and make sure, as I say, that people have the chance to use the latest versions of their software where they can.
Fantastic. Stuart, thank you so much. And if people want to learn more, because I'll be honest with you, it's still a little bit confusing for me.
Yes.
If people want to know more and get into the detail of this, where can they go?
I mean, I suppose, as we said on the last time we were all together, Shaun, best thing is please contact us. I know some people's situations are different depending on where you are on your version journey of whatever softwares we're talking about. 01604 798 070 or info@sightandsound.co.uk.
Stuart, thank you.
Thanks, Shaun.